Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sony WF-C500 with any MacBook. So to do this, first of all, input both earbuds inside the charging case, close it and charge for like 20 minutes. Also, remember to disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, when you do this, open the case, remove left and the right. Then you have to click and hold on the left and the right until this indicator starts blinking quickly. Just like that. As you can see right now, they are blinking together, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. So put them close to your MacBook, go to the system settings, open the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and then from the nearby devices list, select your Sony earbuds. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and on the end you can just open the sound settings and check for the output and the input device. Just be sure that we are selected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.